Hello everyone, my name is Gina and welcome to Season Beauties. Our video on today, we will be unboxing our September CurlBox, okay? Now, I apologize for it being up a little late. I moved, so it went to the old address. Don't know how, but it went to the old address. But nonetheless, so we're going to move right along. We're going to jump in and see what's in this month's CurlBox. But for those of you who are not familiar with CurlBox, I will leave you all the juicy details down below. Trust me, if you are a natural hair wearer, you need this box in your life. Trust me, this is my absolute favorite, okay? You'll soon see why, okay, if you don't know already. Well, the first thing that we have when we open up our box is our description card, which looks like this. And the September issue is indeed the September issue. That's our theme for the month. So in addition to that, you also get our Hey Girlfriend card and a JCPenney pamphlet. We'll find out why in a little bit. This says the salon services that are offered at your local JCPenney. Okay? When we open up our description card, it says in our letter from the editor, here's what I know. You're never going to see this kind of deal or box anywhere. With a value over $114, this box boasts high quality brands and products, and we have JCPenney to thank for this epic moment. Sit down, dig in, and add JCP Salon to the top of your list when you're thinking about who can best serve your curls with a professional service that offers excellent products too. Okay, so this box is jam-packed, y'all. I'm telling you, it is jam-packed. All right, so it says the very first item that we have is a Denman brush. Ooh, I am here for that. This is the one that we have, and this is the ultimate multi-use hairbrush for detangling, blow drying, styling, defining curls, and smoothing the hair. The 7-row pin pattern helps to reduce catches and drags while styling your hair. Now they give us a tip that says use on curls while the hair is still wet. Okay. Brush in an upward motion and twist the brush to create definition. Okay, now I do like it. I am I have several brushes that I have received courtesy of CurlBox. So this is, of course, item number 1, style, shape, and define. Best for control and defining wet curls, okay? So this is item number 1, our Denman brush. Of course, there's no expiration date. It lasts as long as you take care of it. How about that? Then the next item we have is a Conair scrunchy headwrap. All right. Okay, and this one says, treat your tresses to a playful look with this twisted tie-dye headwrap in peach blue and cream, made with soft woven fabric and an elasticized section that gives it ample stretch. This boho style band complements your most casual looks and is comfortable for all day wear. Okay, here is that scrunchy part. This is really nice. Also received headbands from them. Love it, love it, love it, love it. See, I'm telling y'all, love this product. Love this box, okay? My favorite. It's absolutely my favorite. And the next item that we have is by Nourish and Shine, and this is the liquid gel curl primer. Just like a primer improves the look of a foundation and a serum boosts the benefits of a moisturizer, this hydrating pre-styling conditioner maximizes the result of styling creams or gels. The sunflower oil and honey-infused formulas help create a barrier between hair and moisture in the air that preps curls for easy styling. Okay, and this one is an 8 fluid ounce size, and it says Sculpt and Seal. And okay, it also has a little sample inside as well. And this one is Clean List approved. It's cruelty-free and vegan, paraben-free and mineral oil-free. Okay, I'm excited to try this. Okay, and I have other products by this particular company to use along with it. Okay, full-size products, y'all. Full-size products. Okay. Aha. So we received a one-use item. This is the first time I've ever seen this in a CurlBox. But nonetheless, this is the next item, and this is the Cavity Itch Calming Serum packet. It says this gentle, fast-acting cooling serum instantly soothes and nurtures the scalp. It is infused with aloe vera, manuka honey, peppermint, lavender, and witch hazel, giving you a lightweight and residue-free formula to ease dry, itchy, and irritated scalps. Okay. This is a 1 milliliter size. Long-lasting scalp soothing sensation. Okay, so they gave us a little something extra to try. Then the next item we have is by Biosilk. And this is the Farouk Biosilk Silk Therapy. This award-winning weightless leave-in silk replenishing and reconstructing treatment helps prevent split ends, fills voids in cuticles to create smooth hair, and provide incredible shine. Okay, and this one is a paraben-free product, and it is a 2.28 fluid ounce size. Okay, wow, this must be one of those products where a little goes a long way. All right, and it has a 18-month shelf life. Okay, so that's this one right here. All right. Okay, moving right along. Then the next item we have is by Paul Mitchell. And it's this one right here, the Tea Tree Lavender Mint Overnight Moisture Therapy. And it says, this sleep-enhancing blend of dreamy herbs and florals restores and repairs as you sleep for healthy, hydrated hair. This product boasts Manoi, Prequi, and jojoba oils to help repair, protect, and deeply condition dry, damaged hair. Okay, and this is a 3.4 fluid ounce size. And it says it restores hair and enhances sleep quality. And this one has a 12-month shelf life as well. Very interesting. I really want to smell it, but I'm trying to just leave these things alone until I'm ready to use them, because I still have products from earlier this year that I am still working on. Okay, so then the next item that we have is by Oidad. Okay, and this is Twist by Oidad Curl Goals Moisture Locking leave-in conditioner, okay? And it says hydrate, detangle, and prime with the moisture that all curls crave. Curl Goals infuses lightweight moisture for curls that need a little extra hydration to build definition. Okay, and this one is a 10.5 fluid ounce size, and it has the 3 drops on it, okay, which lets you know the level of moisture. Okay, and this one is extra moisture. Lightweight moisture replenishes parched curls. It says all of the good stuff: safflower oil, rice protein, and camellia flour. None of the ugly. Mineral oils, petroleum, paraben, phthalates, harsh sulfates, and D4, D5, and D8 silicones. Safe for color and chemically treated hair. And it says meet curl. Okay. Well, okay. It says moisture locking, leave-in condition, detangle, soften, and shape. Alrighty, and then we have one more product in the box. I told you it's always jam-packed. Alright, and this one is the Sexy Hair Tri-Week Leave-In Conditioner. Alright, and this one says keep the tangles at bay and the breakage away. Tri-Week Leave-In reduces breakage up to 81% and improves detangling up to 90%. This product is a must-have for silk press season to tame frizz and flyaways, improve smoothness, and add shine, all while delivering up to 72 hours of humidity resistance and thermal protection up to 450 degrees. Now that's all right, because you have a leave-in conditioner that is also a heat protectant. I'm here for it. Definitely here for it. Okay? Now, this one has a 12-month shelf life. So, what do you think? That's all I want to ask you. What do you think? I told you, amazing. CurlBox is amazing. We received a brush, a headband, we received a sample, along with 5 full-size products. I'm telling you, CurlBox is amazing. This is a must-have. I'm telling you, when I'm in the store and I see someone in the hair care section, I make it a point to mention CurlBox to them, because you can't beat this. The price on this box is $25 plus $5 for shipping. $30 is what you pay for things like this. That's usually about 2 products. Come on, y'all. I'm just saying, I'm very excited about it and very passionate about it, if you can't tell, okay? So, but I just want to pass it on to you. I would like to share it with you. So, once again, I ask you, what are your thoughts? Okay? So, but I just want to tell you, I thank you so very much for choosing to spend time with me on today as we unboxed our September CurlBox. And these are the items that were included in this month's box. Down below is the total manufacturer suggested retail price for everything that is inside. Okay? So, remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.